My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'd like to share with you a simple spiritual truth today, and that is that healing comes from mind and spirit. And for those of us who work with healing energy and vibrations and send healing thoughts to people and see their bodies and their souls respond to that healing, there is no doubt in any of our minds of the reality of mind healing the physical body. It is not only natural and it is miraculous, but it arises out of belief. True healing begins with thought, awareness, and love. All true healing arises from core belief, an alignment of mind, body, and spirit. It's important to understand that healing is a remembrance of our wholeness. It's our consciousness speaking to our body. When thought aligns with love, the body responds with coherence. Spirit knows no illness. Spirit knows only balance and contentment. Every cell listens to consciousness, responds to consciousness. Every organ echoes and responds to our beliefs. Mind heals. Healing occurs when awareness restores harmony between what we think, what we feel, and who we truly are. In closing, I'd like to say that to heal yourself is to remember that there is perfection through divine design, that we are the perfect pattern of divine life flowing through us. The more you awaken to that truth, the more your physical body becomes a vessel of radiant spirit working in your life and through your life. Thank you for allowing me to share. And may the light of God shine through you and heal you each and every day. Thank you.